Xi'an, historically the most prosperous city globally. Until today, still paradise for Chinese people's staple food. In Shaanxi, people transform noodles into a 3-centimeter wide shape. Lots of firewood stove. Fire highlights the noodles well. But the exact width and amount of heat should be just perfect. To create an aromatic scent, focus on achieving a pleasant aroma. A topping consisting of fungus, carrot and delicate beans all mixed together. Spicy chilies splashed with hot oil. Noodles' constant companion forever together. From ordinary steamed bun to ham and noodles, to rojiamo mutton burger. A variety of snacks provides numerous options. Together, they form the pasta kingdom in Shaanxi, an unshakable foundation.